In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Depop balance to Cash App. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Depop app on your mobile device, and then you want to go with the settings over here. And then inside settings, you'll be able to see preferences, and that's only available on your mobile device. So over here, I am inside the preferences, inside my settings, but over on your mobile device, if you're using the app version for your phone from Depop, what you have to do is you'll see an option where you can put in your PayPal email. And once you put in your PayPal email, you'll be able to basically cash out your Depop balance directly to PayPal. And then once you've done that, and once you've cashed to PayPal, you can then go to PayPal, to your account, and you want to link a card or bank. So what you have to do over here is simply press link a card or bank, link a bank account, and then from here, you want to basically just put in your IBAN number and all the different numbers it asks you for, and then after you link it to your bank account, you can then transfer via the withdraw option over here. So over here, if you go to Home tab, you can just simply send, or down here, transfer funds, and then you can transfer them to your bank account by clicking this over here. And after you've successfully transferred your funds, so you first went from Depop balance to PayPal, and then you can go over here from PayPal to your bank account. You can then open up your Cash App, connect it to your bank account, and then simply send your money from your bank directly to Cash App. So that's the easiest way of doing it. Unfortunately, as of right now, there's no direct connection. You have to use a middle website such as PayPal, for example, over here. And after that, things can go smoothly and you can get money to Cash App from Depop. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.